For today's video, I will show you how to cook a simple homemade buffalo wings.
First, fry the chicken wings. After frying, set aside and prepare the ingredients for the sauce, such as grated garlic cloves, shredded onion. Let's start cooking. Heat the cooking pan. After heating up, add oil and wait to heat. Next, saute the grated garlic till turns brown. Add the shredded onion and saute for some time. After sauteing the garlic and onion, we can now add the sauce, the tomato sauce. We can use either tomato sauce or buffalo sauce, depends on your taste and budget. Stir until sauce are well mixed. At this point, you can add some seasonings such as salt and pepper and chili powder to add spicy. Now, we're ready to add the fried chicken wing. Add and stir until mixed well. To have more color, add green chili. That's all for today. Thank you.